18 subscribers. Here we are today with Sarah, and she is back with us today opening her second Stitch Fix box. Tell our audience what you asked for in your second box.
I asked for them to try some jeans. In my first box, the jeans did not fit me at all. Otherwise, I think they did pretty good on getting things I liked. This is what I bought out of my first box.
Beautiful.
But the sizing was a little off, so I think I had more explanation of the sizing. I'm a little bit tall, and that's hard even for me to find. Ooh.
Let's zoom in on that.
It looks like maybe a jacket.
I think I liked that.
And I think I like the colors. First we have a long sleeve. I don't know what it is. It's really soft and it seems really cozy.
Oh, it does. It's really soft.
It's really soft. Next I have, oh, a cardigan.
Ooh,
Yes.
that's a
This
pretty
is very
blue.
nice also. This is very cute. This is exactly something I would wear.
Oh, it's got a little peak hole in the back too. Yeah, that's cute.
The
My
jacket.
fall jacket. This is also very cute.
Oh, that's cool.
Apparently they didn't want to try jeans again.
Oh yeah.
So they gave me some dressier, stretchier pants.
And they're like plum.
I'm not
like a-
quite sure about plum, but
Plum jegging.
Sarah is modeling the Market and Spruce Kathleen cargo jacket, and they call it dark gray, but we call it
Mushroom.
mushroom. Bridget and I really like this jacket, but how does Sarah feel?
I really like it too. I think it could be alternative to my jean jacket that I wear every day of my life in the fall.
Does it have a hood? Oh yeah, it does have a hood.
And there's a hood
Nice.
for the fall rainy
It's
day.
actually detachable. It looks like the hood has buttons.
That is just an adorable fall jacket. I was just curious if you have something underneath that's from the box as well. It looks familiar.
Well, as a matter of fact.
Sarah has just unveiled in Love and Peace Kennedy drawstring knit top.
So cute.
The color is light gray. We were all marveling at how soft this
Yeah, it's
top was.
really, really soft.
It is borderline turtleneck.
Yeah, I'm not usually a turtleneck fan, but since it's loose.
This is not a turtleneck family.
It's crawling up the neckline.
Nicole's thrown
Well,
my turtlenecks away.
It's actually, I don't like turtlenecks either.
So what's this one cost?
The price for this is $58.
So if I was going to pay $58, I would maybe want it to be actually a little bit bigger.
If they have the next size available, you can exchange it. Bridget and I have both done exchanges, and it's like, it couldn't be easier.
Should we move on to that next layered outfit?
Yep, let's move on. Sarah is modeling the remaining 3 pieces in the box. The stylist recommended that these 3 items be paired together. Starting at the top, a Brianna long sleeve knit cardigan in navy for $38, and the Albato crew neck blouse in indigo, that is $58. And then the pants are Jacqueline skinny pant by Liverpool for $78. Start with the cardigan. Any thoughts on the cardigan?
It's really soft, like everything they send you. Sleeves are really long. It's long enough. I would get actually a lot of use out of this.
Yeah, and that's actually really reasonable, $38.
Yeah.
And then the blouse, another unveil. What do we call that?
Unveil.
An unveiling.
Reveal.
A revealing. A reveiling. What is it called?
It's a reveal.
A reveal, okay.
That's cute.
So this is nice too. Long enough. It's longer in the back than the front.
Yep.
Oh, it's so cute. I
Fits
love
me
it.
good.
I just want to like go give you my turquoise jewelry right now and be like, put on the turquoise jewelry.
Whatever they call it in the wedding. Fix them up for their wedding dress.
Oh,
That wedding show, and they go, let's do something, and then they jewel you.
what
Yeah.
is that called?
Bedazzle my bride. I don't know.
They call it something every
If you
time.
know what that's called, leave
Yeah.
leave a note in the comment section below.
And then there's these pants.
And then the pants.
I never wear colored pants. They're like jeggings, the pockets like fake pockets.
Oh, fake pockets.
Fake pockets.
Nicole, welcome to women's jeans world. They don't give us
So I just
actual
have on the
pockets.
fake pockets too. The back is not fake.
I think they look great on you. And that's the kind of pant where if you felt like it was a little bit too long, you pop a little cuff on it and put an ankle booty on it, and it's Super cute.
Right.
Yep.
All right, Sarah, so final thoughts on the box.
I actually liked everything. Jenny did a great job.
She did a great
She got closer the second time. The stuff fit a lot better the second time, so I do feel she listened.
Good.
So your order total, if you buy all 5 items, is $219. Are you going to buy all 5 items?
No.
I'd get a second job so that I could, because that jacket is fierce.
Sarah's gonna perform the piccolo part of, what's that song called?
Stars and
Stars
Stripes
and Stripes Forever as we shuffle off.
All right, let's. I don't know. No. Yeah.
Why is there bugle horns outside when we're doing a video?
His name is Christian, and he is Jewish, and that is called the shofar horn.
That does sound beautiful.
Not at 2 in the morning when it goes off.